How to fix the Messenger floating video call not working. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem of yours. But before that, make sure you have installed the latest version of Messenger on your device. If you have already done so, then you need to go on the setting option right here. After that, scroll down and choose the apps option right here. Now from here you need to choose for the Messenger option. After you choose for the Messenger option, you will now see the very option of permissions. From here you need to tap on display over other apps option, and you need to select the applications where you can use and so that it can float on the screen. After choosing all the applications, you are just done and go back. Now make sure you reinstall your Messenger application again and again. If this permissions is allowed on the Messenger, then you can simply log into your Messenger account and your problem will be solved just like that. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.